Welcome back to the Mid-Year Mitch YouTube channel. In today's episode, we're going to go over the entire build of the Misfit Split, beginning to end, a build that took me about a year to complete, and you guys get to watch it in like 10 minutes. So I hope you guys enjoy. And also, please hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps my channel.
I got my mind set on you. 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 But it's gonna take money, a whole lot of spending money. It's gonna take plenty of money to do it right, child. And it's gonna take time, a whole lot of precious time. It's gonna take patience and time to do it, 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 to do it right now. I got my mind set on you. 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 And this time I know it's for real. The feelings that I feel, I know if I put my mind to it, I know I can really do it. But it's gonna take time, a whole lot of precious time. It's gonna take patience and time to do it right, child. And it's gonna take money, a whole lot of spending money. It's gonna take plenty of money. Ooh, to do it, 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 to do it right now. I got my mind set on you. 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 This time I know it's for real. The feelings that I feel, I know if I put my mind to it, I know I can really do it. I got my mind set on you. Set on you. Set on you. Set on you. But it's gonna take money, a whole lot of spending money. It's gonna take patience and money to do it right now. And it's gonna take time, a whole lot of precious time. It's gonna take patience and time. Oh, to do it, 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 to do it right now. I got my mind set on you. I got my mind set on you. I got my mind set on you. I got my mind set on you.
Kentucky back in '49 and went to Detroit working on assembly line. The first year they had me putting wheels on Cadillacs. Every day I'd watch them beauties roll by, and sometimes I'd hang my head and cry. I always wanted me one that was long and black. One day I devised myself a plan that should be the envy of most any man. I'd sneak it out of there in a lunchbox in my hand. Now getting caught meant getting fired, but I figured I'd have it all by the time I retired. I'd have me a car with at least $100 grand. I'd get it one piece at a time, and it wouldn't cost me a dime. You know it's me when I come through your town. I'm gonna ride around in style, I'm gonna drive everybody wild, 'cause I'll have the only one there is around. So the very next day when I punched in with my big lunchbox and with help from my friends, I left that day with a lunchbox full of gears. I've never considered myself a thief, but GM wouldn't miss just one little piece, especially if I strung it out over several years. The first day I got me a fuel pump, and the next day I got me an engine in a trunk. Then I got me a transmission all chrome. Little things I could fit in my big lunchbox, like nuts and bolts and all four shocks. The big stuff we snuck out of my buddy's mobile home. Now up to now my plan went alright until we tried to put it all together one night, and that's when we noticed that something was definitely wrong. The
carries out. I even went over $8 grand a little bit.
transmission was a 53 and the motor turned out to be a 73. And when we tried to put in all the bolts, all the holes were gone. So we drilled it out so that it would fit, and with a little bit of help from an adapter kit, we had that engine running just like a song. Now the headlights, there was another sight. We had two on the left and one on the right. But when we pulled out the switch, all three of them come on. The back end looked kind of funny too, but we put it together when we got through. Well, that's when we noticed that we only had one tail fin. About that time my wife walked out, and I could see in her eyes that she had had her doubts. But she opened up the door and said, "Honey, take me for a spin." So we drove uptown just to get the tags, and I headed right on down Main Drag. I could hear everybody laughing from blocks around. But up there at the courthouse, they didn't laugh, cause to time it up, it took the whole staff. And when they got through, the title weighed 60 pounds. I'd get it one piece at a time, and it wouldn't cost me a dime. You'll know it's me when I come through your town. I'm gonna ride around in style, I'm gonna drive everybody wild, cause I'll have the only one there is around. Oh yeah, Red Rider, this is the Cottonmouth and the Psychobilly Cadillac, come on. Oh yeah, this is the Cottonmouth, and negatory on the cost of this machine there, Red Rider. You might say I went up to the factory and picked it up, it's cheaper that way. What model is it? Well, it's a 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59 automobile. Well, it's 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70 automobile.
I feel free. I feel free. I feel free.
you guys enjoyed the video. It took a long time to edit. I've been wanting to make this video for quite a while, but hopefully this gives you an idea of all the work that went into this car, you know, beginning to end. I didn't include every single second of footage I have, but I included a lot just to give you a bulk of the idea of what all was done on this car beginning to end. So I hope you enjoyed. I have a lot more projects coming up, so this car will be on the back burner for video content for a little while. I have that Field Find split window to work on and that 67, so a lot of cars to work on. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I have a lot of work to do, so I'll catch you guys later.